Hi, I'm Liz, the hospital administrator here at Lock Haven Veterinary Hospital, and today I have some questions for Dr. German about dog diagnostic imaging. Dr. German, how does a veterinarian decide which dog diagnostic imaging tool to use?
It depends on what we think's going on. So if we're checking for the heart, we're probably going to want to do x-rays and most likely an echocardiogram or an ultrasound of that heart. If we're looking at something in the abdomen, that may be the same way. We're doing x-rays and we're doing some ultrasound. If you're looking at the brain, you're going to need an MRI or a CT scan.
Which dog diagnostic imaging tool is the most accurate?
Well, that depends on what we're looking for because each one has their own things that they can do best.
Will more than one diagnostic imaging tool be used to come up with a diagnosis for my dog?
It most definitely could be. If it's a fracture, most likely an x-ray is all that's going to be needed. But if we're looking at the heart, we're going to want chest x-rays and we're going to want that echocardiogram.
What is the procedure like for each dog diagnostic imaging tool?
So if we're talking about x-rays, it's literally just laying your dog down on a table and taking x-rays. Ultrasound, they're going to be shaving and then using a probe on there. An MRI or a CT scan, most of the time they're going to be doing sedation because they have to have that dog perfectly still for those.
When is an x-ray used versus an MRI, ultrasound, or CT scan?
X-ray again is going to be used for more bony structures, but it also can be looking for fluid or a mass effect inside the body. Whereas when you're doing an MRI, you're looking at the brain or the nervous system. A CT scan, you can be looking for anything, but it's not going to show you as much as that X-ray will about changes in size. Whereas an ultrasound, it's looking at the internal structures inside. It's not just looking at small parts, it's actually looking at the whole part of that.
What are baseline diagnostic images and why are they important for my dog?
So baseline diagnostic images are looking at things that are perfectly healthy. That way, if they do ever have an issue, it can actually show us what has changed.
Thank you, Dr. German.
No problem. Thank you, Liz. If you think your dog needs any diagnostic imaging, please give us a call.